Embracing the plant-based path. A plant-based diet is centered around foods from plants, offering a vibrant and nutritious way to eat. This includes a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, each packed with essential nutrients. It minimizes or eliminates animal products like meat, dairy and eggs, making it a versatile and inclusive diet. More and more people are choosing this way of eating for its incredible benefits, both for personal health and the environment. A plant-based diet is incredibly good for your health, providing essential vitamins and minerals. It can lower your risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers, promoting overall well-being. This way of eating is also kinder to our planet, reducing the strain on natural resources. Animal agriculture has a large environmental footprint, contributing to deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing plant-based options, you contribute to a healthier environment and a more sustainable future. You also support a more sustainable food system, encouraging eco-friendly practices and local farming. This article will guide you on how to smoothly transition to a plant-based diet, making the journey enjoyable and fulfilling. Taking the first steps, a gradual approach. Starting a plant-based diet doesn't require a complete overnight change. It's a journey that can be taken one step at a time. It's best to transition gradually. Start by incorporating one plant-based meal into your day. This small change can make a big difference over time. Breakfast can be a great place to begin. Try oatmeal with berries and nuts or a tofu scramble with veggies. These options are both nutritious and delicious. For lunch, enjoy a hearty salad with beans or lentils. Adding a variety of colorful vegetables can make it even more satisfying. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the number of plant-based meals you eat each day. This will help your body adjust smoothly. You can start by swapping out one animal product at a time. For example, replace cow's milk with almond milk or soy milk. These alternatives are widely available and easy to use. Try plant-based meat alternatives like tofu or tempeh in your favorite recipes. They can be just as versatile and tasty as traditional meat. Planning your plate, delicious and nutritious. Successful plant-based eating involves planning your meals ahead of time. This ensures you get all the essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. Focus on incorporating a variety of foods from all the major food groups. Include plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet, whole grains like brown rice, quinoa and other ancient grains, and protein sources such as beans, lentils, tofu and tempeh. These are excellent for muscle repair and growth. Nuts and seeds are great for healthy fats and make for perfect snacks. Explore simple and delicious plant-based recipes online or in cookbooks to keep your meals exciting. There are countless options available to suit every taste and preference. Meal prepping can be extremely helpful in maintaining a balanced diet. Set aside some time each week to cook large batches of grains, beans or roasted vegetables. This makes it easier to assemble quick and nutritious meals throughout the week. Navigating common challenges. One common pitfall is relying too heavily on processed vegan foods. While convenient, these options can be high in sodium and unhealthy fats. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Another challenge is ensuring adequate nutrient intake. Pay attention to getting enough protein, iron, calcium, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. Nutritional yeast is a good source of vitamin B12. You can sprinkle it on popcorn or add it to sauces. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in flax seeds, chia seeds and walnuts. Reaping the rewards, health and beyond. Adopting a plant-based diet offers numerous health benefits. You might experience increased energy levels, improved digestion and clearer skin. Many people report weight loss or better weight management. Lowering your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes and certain cancers is a major advantage. Plant-based diets are naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. These nutrients protect your body from disease. You're also reducing your environmental impact by choosing a plant-based lifestyle. Your journey to a healthier you. Starting a plant-based diet is a wonderful step towards a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. Remember to be patient with yourself and focus on making gradual changes. Embrace the abundance of delicious plant-based foods available. Enjoy the journey to a healthier and more vibrant you. There are numerous online resources and communities that offer support and information. Remember that small changes can make a big difference over time. Every plant-based meal you choose contributes to a healthier planet and a healthier you.